FitLab PGH back with a movement tip, lifestyle hack. A few months ago, I talked about changing my bike shoes and upgrading after 20 some years to 2 pairs of Lake shoes. I've got the MX 237 Endurance and the MX 241. They're both on the same last, but the 237s for me, for some reason, are much more comfortable. Both of them are comfortable. Those are more comfortable than the 241s. The highlight of both of these shoes is they don't use laces, they don't use Velcro, they use BOA straps or BOA ratcheting. So to tighten it, you just rotate it and you get really click sensitive adjustment. So if you have one foot that's a little larger than the other, you can adjust for it. Long-term use of probably 4 or 5 months. I'd give both of these 5 stars out of 5 stars. High quality product. Remember, different brands of shoes fit differently, so always follow the manufacturer's recommendation. Lake does a great job with videos on their website, and if I hadn't followed their videos, I would have gotten the wrong shoe size. Thanks to Paul Swift for the video links.